How to create a workflow request on Slack. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Tools and then click Workflow Builder. 2. Click Create Workflow and select a trigger, which is what will start your workflow. You can choose from options like a message reaction, shortcut, or scheduled time. 3. Add a step to define what happens when the workflow is triggered. For example, you can send a form, assign a task, or post an automated response. 4. Customize the workflow by adding user inputs, actions, or notifications based on your needs. This helps in automating tasks more effectively. 5. Test your workflow to check if it operates as expected. If there are any errors, go back and make necessary adjustments. 6. Click Publish to activate the workflow so it can be used by your team or workspace members. 7. Share the workflow link or instructions with your team to ensure they can access and use it properly. Now, your Slack workflow request system is successfully set up, making collaboration easier.